Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video will show you about the Capcut tutorial again and again. And in this video I would like to show you the way how to find privacy policy on a Capcut. So privacy policy is just documents that provide by any applications just to guarantee that the user is safe by using their application. So basically, every application will have this privacy policy. So to find a privacy policy on a Capcut, you just need to go open the Capcut application and wait until the Capcut is perfectly opened. And here is the look whenever you open the Capcut. Now you just need to make sure that you are stay in the edit section and take a look on this upper right corner. There will be like this symbol, so you just need to go click it. And now you just need to scrolling down and you will see a privacy policy section, and you just need to click it to open the documents. And now the next thing you have to do is just go read everything on your screen and understand everything about their privacy policy that gave to you over their applications that already created. So that's the way how to find privacy policy on a Capcut. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you. So I'll see you for the next tutorial.